ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to tell you how you can increase the speed of your Google Chrome with just 2 clicks. Open Google Chrome. Now click on the 3 dots at the right corner. Go to Setting. Now on the right side, click on Advanced and go to System. Now you can see in the system there are two options: continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. It will take your some system memory, but it will boost your Google Chrome. Now click on it, and here you can below see use hardware acceleration when available. Also activate it. When your system is not multitasking, these features will enable the system to boost the Google Chrome processing. Only some people know these 2 clicks can boost their Google Chrome. If you're watching still now, then you are one of them. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more updates.